with our member, but from now on we decide to go live here on YouTube as well, and we are scheduled this to do 3 times a week. So Tuesday 1:30 p.m. UK time, Wednesday 7:30 p.m. UK time, and Thursday 1:30 p.m. UK time.
Yeah,
we will share here our insight of the market and any trade idea. So if you still didn't subscribe yet to our channel, please kindly do and hit the bell icon so you will not miss any opportunity. So before we want to share our view on the market, I want to talk about a big news what came out this morning about Apple. Apple today opened the first retail store in India, in Mumbai, and I think so they're going to open even the second store on New Delhi, I think so after tomorrow. So do you think, guys, is a good news for Apple share to go higher? I think so it will be, because last week, if you didn't miss, maybe, probably, I don't know, we post a video, Jake done it, where Apple could probably enter in the bullish season based on seasonal data. So if you missed the video, I suggest to go and see, because we'll explain more about seasonal data and why we had Apple in our list. So at the moment, I will share our chart and see what I can see from.
Maybe we should talk about Apple first, huh?
Yeah, I will share straight away the Apple chart.
Also, one thing before you start, this is only our personal view. It is not a financial advice, okay, guys?
So you can see the screen?
Yeah.
Cool. So this Apple chart on our our platform, which is TradingView, and this is daily time frame. I'll get the pen. So you can see we are on uptrend nicely. This trend line here as well.
Perfect, isn't it? So
last week we talked about Apple could probably retrace at this level around 157, was it? But the next day it went up the 3%, and now is 2 days is over around this resistance level. I'm zoom in a little bit more on this trend line here. So we are waiting to see the price if get above 166. Also, we are bullish on Apple first because of the seasonal data. Sorry about it. And also about this indicator here, accumulation distribution line. This is show you Apple is breaking higher before the price action. So you can clearly see price still didn't break this previous high, but here it already did it. So this indicator is good because it's leading the price action, but to have, you have to be in pro account. So I recommend, if you want to do nice analysis on the chart, to subscribe our pro account. We're gonna put the link below if you wanna subscribe on this trading view. So our view is to Apple to break this level, but something have to happen before. So S&P 500 have to lead as well this movement, I think so.
Yeah, but another thing that I wanted to trade yesterday, I did attempt, but it kicked me out. I used it one minute. NVIDIA.
Nvidia. Oh,
Look at today.
wow. So the pre-market is already show you
You know,
big jump.
it's trading, but yeah, I think would be nice to trade AMD today.
AMD is my watch list today as well.
Yeah, AMD is on our watch list, so I will be trading AMD.
So it's nice chart, AMD, nice support as well. So breaking higher, retest this level, perfect, nice price action.
Yep. So it's just whether what you want to do, end of day entry, or
If you drop down time frame, 4 hours still uptrend.
yeah, 1 hour, just
Yeah,
either 1 minute, but I like testing the $80-$90 area or 80.
yeah. If you come back here, retest here, huh? Isn't it?
Yeah, just take it. Have a look at the thing is, you can't really see daily pivot in trading view at the moment because it's not open yet, but
We bring our chart on IG. So this is our broker IG, where we place our trade. So we share our idea on our Discord channel and Facebook group.
Perfect.
So
Spot on.
Apple, where is it? Is here? It's already R1.
Yeah.
But what we talk about MD.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Also retest the 90.
Daily pivot as well.
Or come back here, or otherwise if you break and retest this one as well.
Yep, can do.
Nice interaction here as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see now later on. Is our watch list.
Then why don't you show them how to set an alert on IG, or IG is probably better.
Yeah.
So
if you, for example, you want the price to go back on this level here, 90 daily pivot, 90.13. So you go here on the top right, alert, price level. You put your price 9.13 and set alert. So when the price come back in this level, you have your alert on your phone, on your desktop or laptop or wherever you are in, and you'll be able to see it. Very simple, very straightforward, web-based, so everything is gonna be on your web. So let's dive in on the market then. Okay, let's start as usual from the major indices. So S&P 500. So we talked last week, we were bullish on indices, and there was some kind of funny move because this was Monday, I think so. Let me see. Yeah. So Monday we had this low test bar.
I test on Wednesday.
Doji bar on Tuesday.
Yeah.
I test on Wednesday.
Bullish engulfing on
Bullish engulf on Thursday. And
Doji.
Friday price
Doji.
Very indecision. So of course Thursday was the best day, but obviously we couldn't catch. And Friday as well was very funny because we want to have like a retracement, but was very deep retracement, and then 6-7 p.m. it start to go higher again. So because previously happened like this as well, so this phase was well here in the season, and price got lower. Also before it done some fake out here, bullish movement, fake out, come back, and then get lower. So now for me, my view is to see breaking this 4180, 42, 4,200 area. So to be clear and go long. So I want to see this level breaking through, come back, and then I'm happy to go long. So
yeah, that's the next one. I might be aggressive.
If you want to be more aggressive, I will come there. Because now we're gonna see. So yes, the price action is bullish. Also come back on the trend line as well.
Yeah.
So if you drop down 4 hour, still an uptrend.
Yeah. I think for 150, another soft level.
1 hour.
Yeah, for 150.
I want to get long this morning here, but it didn't come back on daily pivot.
Nah, I know.
So
but now maybe tomorrow daily pivot.
He reject this area now
and
shut down.
It may not have a lot of move today, right? Can you explain why it's R2? What is R2 is on your chart?
Yeah, so this level here, you can see daily pivot R1, R2, S1, S2. So R stands for resistance and S as a support. So this is like resistance level, which on daily can go up at usually R2, R3 maximum. So I think so it's like a resistance level where the price tend to test and come back.
Yeah.
Because now we are in bullish movement, so it's gonna go up, retest, and come back. So if it was bearish, go as a support and come back.
Yeah.
Also, we have
could be if I think from R2 we may see, we could certainly see a break higher, which I'm welcome. I'm really welcome because we have a few stocks and cryptocurrency as well. So the more bullish, the happier I will be.
If we see this break higher, so we go long on Apple anyway. So
yeah,
that's what we want.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter. But if it stall today, would not surprise me because they rarely break R2. Then tomorrow daily pivot could well step to around 4150, 4160 that area, 4155, something like that.
Yeah, if you come here, it will be perfect.
It will be very easy. Like, the tomorrow morning, don't even have to look at the chart. I'll just put the order in, put the stop loss below S1 or the swing.
Yeah, if you want to get order, you want to place an order for tomorrow, like for example, on this level here. Let's draw the level. Let's see, for example, you want to see this level here.
Yep.
So which is 141.55, let's say. So you're going to say order. You want to buy. You're going to put your amount of your risk. And then you say 4150.
Oh, you're on deal. You need to go to order, my friend.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir.
So the level 141.55.
Yeah.
It's gonna calculate. Hello.
I need to reduce the stop first, I think. Stop too big. Oh, you still? How come? Oh, yeah, the stop too big.
So like this, your price level will be, your entry is gonna be here, and then you're gonna manage your stop loss, or you put the amount here, or you're gonna like drag your stop loss or whatever you like. Depends on your size of your capital.
This is something that we will show our members how to trade this, basically setting orders and where is the appropriate stop loss, because that's a piece of art, right? You want to get in a nice relevant entry, but your stop, you can't put your say your entry is 4155. If you
Yeah.
put your stop loss at 4148, doesn't work like that. It comes to 4148, like a couple of pips, right? But
Yeah.
that like 4120 is one example. I would call it a conservative stop loss like this. Like, you know,
Otherwise, you're gonna save like this. You're gonna put
you
here.
can two swing. I think the last swing will be okay, or the aggressive one is below your trend line. But today says also 4130 area.
Yeah.
That would be a little bit more aggressive. Which one is more appropriate is all depending on your risk appetite. There's no one set measurement that is which one is perfect to us anyway. But this is something that our members will dive in with our members. We spend maybe a couple of hours a month to dive in how to use our trading system and how to improve on trading system. Because like last Sunday, me and Luca was talking about dollar CAD, where was the best entry. You know, we missed it, happens, but we review ourselves and say, all right, yeah, daily pivot, weekly pivot was on. If I remember right, it was on Tuesday. That was a spot on entry. So that sort of thing. So we dive in a lot more with if you become a member. If not, you know, if you have any question, make sure you drop it in the comment. If you're not watching live, you can watch it afterward, drop a comment. I personally will spend time in the you know, during the week to go through previous video and make sure I read all the comments. If you're not on our Facebook page, Facebook group, make sure you join, because that is you know, we have more, you know, interaction over there. Okay.
Cool. Also, you can drag your stop loss as well, like this, very easily, and
It's fantastic.
you take your from your point entry, and then you drag the take profit as well. So very easy to use. Anyway, so two options. So either, let me take off this one. Either to break the level 4180 or come back on this 4150. So either to come back like this or come back here and go long. So same view on Nasdaq. Also the same reason, because last week done funny movement as well. So we want to make sure this level is gonna break. We can see yesterday price action bullish, today already bullish. So we want to see the 13,200 break to consider ourselves to go more long on Nasdaq. Also, if you drop down time frame, let's see what's going to happen. For hour, look nicely. Nice phase one. So waiting for breaking anyway. So, or either if you want to be aggressive, because today already we can show as well 1 hour time frame. The movement is already happened, and we are R2. So this phase one would be nice to have like a pullback.
Yep.
Around 13,100 would be nice. Not a lot of interaction here. So it would be nice to have the level touch again. Similar view we have. So we also want to see as well all the indices what they are doing. So this Dow Jones. Can see as well previous week a little bit of ranging here. Today I show you a high test bar. So let's see 1 hour time frame. Interesting. Already show 1 hour this bearish bar. So we could probably see some pullback on Nasdaq and S&P then.
Which is great. Could get in even today, maybe later.
Yeah.
So some of the move is very a bit not to our liking. Huh? 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock last night on Nasdaq on Nvidia. I don't like that.
You can see, look, this 1 hour, yes, on S&P.
6 o'clock.
Unbelievable, look, like this,
Yeah.
and then 7 p.m.
Yeah.
The day before, 6 o'clock.
Yeah. You know, it's
So we
have
might
to
change
adapt.
we might
have
change
to-
our trading hours for later on in the day.
I know, right? So I have to adapt. I think, you know, like today, I'm not really eager to jump into a lot of trades, because especially at 2, 3 o'clock, because it's just we're already on R2. I know a lot of people get very excited when like a US market is open now, so I need to jump in and start trading. But gotta really analyze the behavior on the last couple of weeks or couple of days. We see the movement really is after 5, and today we know it's banging on a high resistance level R2. So, you know, it's no point chasing it, but certainly if it come back tonight at 4150 around 5-6 o'clock, I could even set just set limit order then and just put my stop loss.
Yeah, because on Dow Jones you already see this movement.
Yeah.
So could probably see in a few hours like this.
Yeah.
Be nice to see. So let's set alert.
Yep.
Price for 155. So I have time if it's come back later on 140.50 if to see. So yeah, this is our view on indices. So let's touch forex market. Let's start with the dollar index. Daily time frame. So last week we said we wanna sell dollar. Why? Because clearly days was downtrend. You can see this one done. So, but then from I think so Thursday had some pullback on Friday. So Friday we had this bullish engulfing bar, and we can see yesterday as well come back on top of this 101.20 area. So which we don't want to see dollar stay above here. So we want to sell dollar last week because clearly see this was phase 1 and break this support level. Now dollar retrace a bit. It's still on downtrend. So what we don't want to see is breaking higher this trend line and break this previous higher point. So I'm happy still to sell dollar if come back below 101.20. The major pair we are looking for to go long against the dollar on top of my list is euro dollar. Daily time frame. So this euro dollar chart, beautifully uptrend. You can see phase 1, phase 2, phase 1, phase 2. This is not the right level. Let me. Okay. As of the indices last week is fun enough. Is nice chart, but not that nice for me to trade at the moment. I want to see a clear break this level here, 109.60. So price stay above here to go long. So if we drop down time frame, you can see clearly. Let me clean the drawing. So 4 hour is on downtrend, so we don't have time frame correlation. So I want to see if it stay here above, but do like this. So change of trend. I'm looking for that. So if you see 1 hour, always if you don't see clear picture, go always lower or time frame. You can see 1 hour is change of trend. Can see this one. So I wanna, if price get above, and retest 109.80. So here I'm looking for buy euro dollar. The other pair, this on top of my list, euro dollar. The other pair was pound dollar, but I'm not really like this now because it's breaking the trend line. So you can see we are on uptrend, but now we are below on this level, which is 120.43 area. So I wanna also we are below the weekly pivot. Let me see the daily pivot. It's not that relevant. So also breaking this trend line. So I don't know. I wanna see if price get above this one, but it's not on top of my list now, because if prices stay above like this, we could probably see it's breaking lower. So I will monitor this. If price get above here, I'm happy to go long on euro dollar because for me it's more clear.
Yeah.
The other pair I'm not that interested. So let's see. Australian dollar against US dollar. You can probably see from your eyes, price is not go anywhere. It's just ranging. So if I don't see clear picture, I'm moving on. So same movement is doing the Kiwi, New Zealand dollar against US dollar. So price breaking this channel, go lower, come back. So I don't know, is not clear as well. So I'm moving on. Dollar card we talked about last week. We miss for us is the movement is already done, so we are too late. So we are. It's now approaching a major resistance level, a support level. Sorry. So let's see if it's gonna. I will take a weekly time frame because I think it's clear. So I wanna see if price go above this level here, 133. So I will take back daily time frame. You can see price have a lot of interaction there, plus a trend line. So interaction now is rejecting this. Let's see if it's get above, but the movement is already done. So I'm if this is gonna happen, I'm happy to still go long on euro dollar because there is more potential there. So I just get as I refer that. The other pair is dollar yen. See a little bit of strength on dollar against the yen. Can clearly see yen is a bit bearish now. After this direction down, price start to build a little uptrend. So
Looks corrective though. Looks corrective. So
yeah, if we break weekly time frame,
still looks bearish, doesn't it?
yeah, the direction still. So let's see if this is gonna come back on this level here, touch this again. So it's not on top of my list now, just see what's gonna develop later on. That's it. So let's touch now commodities. Let's start from gold. Okay. Gold, as well, we talked about last week to go long above 2000. we couldn't catch this movement. And obviously now we see a big bearish price action, and now is hovering around 2000. You can see here now is clearly 2000 mark. So
Hello, insiders. I'm
Sorry.
Pierce, product manager working
Yes,
on satisfaction at YouTube. I'm filling in for
Ah,
sorry, was something Popeye. And so I'm waiting to see gold was gonna develop, because I have two option for me now. We could probably see stay below 2000, come back here, and maybe recharge to go higher. I want to see if, let me get this level here, come back this level here, 1150 area, and see if we stay here to, if price come back here, do similar things like this, and then start to go higher. Because for me now the price, it doesn't look very bullish. Could probably see, because we can see from last bullish movement go lower, bullish movement go lower. So I'm waiting, because also silver is approaching a big major resistance level,
26.
26. Yeah, as soon as I touch, you can see price retrace a bit, which is great. You can see nice retracement. So could probably see come back 24 area for nice retracement, which should, after this nice direction, we will probably see come back here and maybe go long. The other one is crude oil. So we had some alert last week. Price is getting above 82.50 area, which is this level here. So you can see here, but now price come back below. So back below on this range here, you can see here, and also I think so this gap is still want to fill. So I'm just waiting as well on oil. If price come back on this support here area here, 76.60, and actually to come back recharge to see some bullish movement on crude oil. And that's it. Let's touch now cryptocurrency, shall we?
Yeah.
I will bring the trading view chart.
I got my friend yesterday. We got worried that like, oh, Bitcoin dropped 3% yesterday.
Ah,
Oh, and what happened today?
now it's 3% up today.
Oh, a bullish engulfing bar today. Back above 30,000, which is great.
So as we talked about before, as our seasonal data, I think so we are on the bullish movement on cryptocurrency, and obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum are the top list.
Yep.
So you can see this chart is beautiful. So bullish movement, ranging, break above 28. Now is charging, I think so, to
40, 45.
to go higher. So
Yeah.
if your friend yesterday say he's losing 3%, it's nice. Could probably told him to buy a little bit more.
Nah, too late now. We already told our members to buy since January. I've
Yeah.
actually got it's on my schedule to do a video of why we catch it on 20, where is the target, how we have an AI friend that show us how to when is this bullish run likely to come to an end.
Yeah.
Also, I'll explain a little bit more on halving cycle and how we use history as our as a technical analysis, you know, because I know
It's
there is
our profit
bit-
target anyway.
yeah, that's around that zone, around 40, you know,
Yeah, 45, 50 area.
45, 50 area, right? You know, if it goes to 53 and I can't sell it at 53, it's not the end of the world. The worst thing is you didn't sell it at 48, say for instance, and then come back below 30. Then you wasted the whole 6 months time of work, because I know a lot of people have invested in Bitcoin in like the 2021, from 2020 to 2021, and they get everything back and they're just holding it. Yes, it's true. If you don't sell, you don't lose money. What about time? What about a 2-3 years time that you hold your money in Bitcoin that you could have made? I don't know.
Locking there.
Locking in there. If you know, I don't know, did they have staking? I think they earned some sort of interest, but for me,
Yeah,
I
but
don't
the
know.
staking, how much is gonna be? I don't think so. It's like it's worth into.
Nah, for me not. To me, absolutely not. Anyway, so we will dive in more I will dive in more details. So stay tuned. On
Yeah,
that.
Ethereum look the same nicely.
You know, Ethereum, I think
I think it's more bullish than Bitcoin.
more bullish. It's not the first time. It's
Yeah.
not the first time Ethereum suddenly, you know, to show that, okay, I know you're the king, but I have the power to fight back. So, you know, would not surprise me that we, see around late 3,000, 3,600, even spike to 3,800, 4,000 even, and
Yeah.
finish. So, but it's good for us anyway. I bought it in around 1,300. So, you know, sitting in
Yeah,
profit.
this area, you know.
Yeah, around this 1,000, 1,500, that the area that I was accumulating, buying. So still holding on. You know, we're not worried like by one little set of bar. I know a lot of traders like, oh, yesterday, you know, 3%, 5%. Hey, it's cryptocurrency, man. It's like that. So, and that's all for us, I think.
Yeah.
You know, hopefully we trace on the indice or break higher to go long. So, you know.
If you guys have any topic you want to go through, drop us a message on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, any social media. We're happy to go through and stay with you. And
otherwise, see you guys tomorrow night for the end of day planning. Hopefully we are in some nice trade running by tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow.
thank you very much.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.